This is the second part to the inverse Laplace transform of the second order differential equation. So we have the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s plus 6 all squared multiplied by s plus 7. So that indicates we have to do partial fractions. So that's going to be 1 over, 1 equals a over s plus 7 plus b over s plus 6 plus c over s plus 6 quantity squared. And that's obviously, of course, over s plus 7, s plus 6 squared. And then we're going to multiply both sides by s plus 7 times s plus 6 squared. So 1 is equal to a s plus 6 squared plus b multiplied by s plus 6 multiplied by s plus 7, and then that's plus c multiplied by s plus 7. Now I'm going to let s equal minus 6. So that means c is equal to 1, because minus 6 plus 7, well, that's 1, and then 1 equals c1, that's 1, so c equals 1. And then we'll let s equal minus 7, and then we know that that's going to cancel, and then b is going to cancel, so we have a is also equal to 1 because it's squared, because it's minus 1, so minus 7 plus 6, well, that's minus 1, but squared, that's 1, so a is also equal to 1. So if we want to solve for b, we're going to let s equal 0, so 1 is equal to 36, and because a is 1, we don't even need to worry about putting that at the front. 0 plus 6 squared is 36, plus b times 42 plus 7. So 36 plus 7, that's 43. 1 minus 43 is minus 42 equals b, 42. That means b is equal to minus 1, because minus 42 divided by 42 is minus 1. So now we can actually solve the inverse Laplace transform. So now this inverse Laplace transform can be rewritten as the inverse Laplace transform of a, which is 1 over s plus 7, plus the inverse Laplace transform plus the inverse Laplace, lol. Okay, I shouldn't be saying that on recording, I'm going to look like an idiot. And that's also minus 1 over s plus 6, because this is the b one. And then that's plus the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s plus 6 squared. Now these two I can solve directly pretty easily. This one as well, but this is going to just be so therefore y of t is equal to e to the minus 7t minus e to the minus 6t, and that's plus e to the minus 6t multiplied by t. And that is our final answer. So this one is e to the minus 6t multiplied by t. This is e to the minus 6t, and this is e to the minus 7t part. So that's the solution to the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s plus 6 all squared multiplied by s plus 7. So cheers for watching, and in future videos I'll probably do one more on a first order, and then the rest of the examples will be second order and only like 1 or 2 on third order. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you learnt something.